TOEFL Practice 1. Structure and written expression questions. 2 questions with answer explanations. Answer each question in 37.5 seconds. Direction for question 1. This question is an incomplete sentence. Beneath the sentence you will see 4 words or phrases, marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Question 1. Direction for question 2. This question has 4 underlined words or phrases. The 4 underlined parts of the sentence are marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed for the sentence to be correct. Question 2. Answer 1. Pronoun reference refers to the grammatical relationship between a pronoun and the noun or noun phrase. Antecedent, it refers to in a sentence. The sentence requires a plural pronoun to refer to multiple varieties of bird species. Those is the correct plural pronoun to represent a subset of bird species that meet the given condition. Answer 2. Quantifiers are words or phrases used to express the amount or quantity of something. Quantifiers like few, many, and several are used with countable nouns. When using the quantifier few, the noun must be in its plural form because few implies more than one. Writing few year is incorrect because year is singular and incompatible with the quantifier few. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.